Welcome to Research On. In this video, we will see one more product unboxing. That one is SuperBox Max Innovation Streaming Technology Medium Media Box. Let's do unboxing. This is our product. The product price is $699, but now discount offer is going on. 1000 MB intranet, Wi-Fi 6, 4 GB plus 32 GB, support 6K OTA and some other features is available here. This one is a smart media player. You should connect this one in your television and access almost all streaming channel. First of all, I will tell you where I am purchasing this one, what is the price of this product. So look at this here. This is the official website of this product. Here the SuperBox collection, and this product I personally purchased this one. Original price is around $699 US dollar, but currently $287 available. Free worldwide shipping, free returns also, carbon and some other features they are providing. Which one you want purchase, accordingly you should decide, and then price like a 3S6 Max plus keyboard plus SD card and travel bags as well. I am personally purchased this one X6 Max plus keyboard. So which types of product we are receiving here, we will do unboxing. Rest of informations are available here. You should visit this platform and learn much more thing, how many features people are providing. Very good review here compared to like 4.5 out of 4, 5 out of 5. Even they are providing some of the informations also, very positive review. Apart from that, this product, some different products also they are selling. Which one you like, accordingly you decide and then purchase this product. Link is available on video description. We can come back to our main product unboxing and let's see what exactly we are receiving in this box, and we can connect this box and how to activate in your television. We can do all the information. So now this is the box, SuperBox Smart Media Player. We can do unboxing first of all. So we need to cut here. Inside the box, this is our product. S6 Pro, two types of antennas. Here the look at this HDMI cable, here the LAN cable, the power cable and some other cables as well. Here the memory card USB, and here the USB 1, USB 2 and reset option is available here. Apart from that, very lightweight. Next things, again what we receive here. Oh, I'm not receiving EU adapter, but it's okay. I have this one is a 5-volt the power cable. Inside the box we receive one HDMI as well, and this is the remote. The remote is quite good, it's amazing. We need to put it here. The two small batteries, 1.5 volt batteries. Yeah, it's really nice remote. SuperBox brand name is here. After that, here the magic booklet, user guides, how to install and how to access. So now we can go to the television screen and look at this here. Specification is here: Android 12, processor H618, core, memory 4 GB, internal storage is 32 and some other information is available here. Apart from that, we can now connect television, and let's see. First of all, I fix the set-top box here, and the nearest television here. I will show you. Directly I connect here the LAN cable. After that, here HDMI cable. The same HDMI cable I connect on my TV, and this is the power, and this is the antenna. It's easy. You can remove the back, so it's very easy. After that, I just simply put it here, so I can set up properly. Now this is the remote as we receive in the box. I put it here, 2 batteries. This is a small battery. After that, I close. This remote comes in this the set-top box as well as TV control also. The 4 button, you should control the television as well. If you press here, so the set-top box is turn it on, and look at this here. SuperBox is coming in the television. First time you need to spend here couple of seconds to start entire process, and very easily start the SuperBox. After that, such kind of visual we are receiving here. Most important parts come here. This is the app section. You won't install any specification app, any special app, you should enter here and select one of the application. So after that, you can access all the features very easily. If you want download something, so you should enter here App Store, and here the App Store related all the application you can very easily download from the App Store. The App Store belongs in SuperBox, so you should just simply select this application and the application is installed very easily. After that, you can access this app to use a rest of features. After that, you should add here some of the application. You should click here, and which application you want add there, you just simply select, go back, the application is coming there. It's very easy. Here the cleaning section is also available. After that, here the setting section is also available. You should connect the internet via Wi-Fi as well, but I personally connect here using LAN cable directly. You need any help, so you can directly contact on customer services also for the Telegram, WhatsApp and email address they are providing. So which option suitable for you, you should access. This is the one of the best set-top box to access all the features, very affordable prices. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.